Yeah, my name is Ange. I'm 25 years old and I am doing PhD in CEA, Commissariat Énergie Atomique et Autres Énergies. And I did my master's in Paris for 2 years at École des Mines. I am from Rwanda. Apart from my work, I do sing. I play guitar. I'm learning to play guitar, but I would like to play piano as well. I just work on lithium on batteries, rechargeable batteries, sodium, lithium ion batteries, where I do analysis, operando gas analysis. Okay. If I could have a superpower, sorry, I would read people's mind because it's kind of extraordinary. If you can read people's mind, you can read what someone is thinking about you, or about what you're doing, or what you could do. So I mean, if I have the superpower of reading people's mind, I can do a lot in my research field because I can know like what to do before I do it. Yeah. Science is very important because science is life. I mean, everything, it's atom, molecules, our body, the environment, everything is related to science. So that's why science is very important. We need to know what we are, what's surrounding us, how can we interact with the surroundings. So really, science is very important because it helps us to know what we are, what we are dealing with, and what do we need to do to improve. And why also research is very important to me is because science is research based, I could say. I mean, it goes hand in hand because you need to do research to know what you don't know. That's what research is about.
Yes, so I'm Eleonora. I'm 29 years old. I come from Italy, especially from the south of Italy. My city is located in the hill of the country, and I moved to France like almost 3 years ago, and I moved here to Grenoble to start my PhD. In fact, I'm a third year PhD student in neuroscience. If I wasn't a scientist, I think I would go for opening like a cozy bookshop with a tiny cafe inside where people can like slow down, connect, and of course talk about books. I discovered my passion for science when I was a kid because my parents gave me for my like 7th or 11th birthday a small microscope for children, and I love see, for example, small things from a different perspectives because they look completely different. And what I still love about science today is that you can like change perspectives, and at the same time you can discover like entirely new words.
Hello, my name is Jamie Silk. I'm from the United States. I'm here in Grenoble as a third-year PhD student in materials engineering. In my free time, I like to play soccer and I run a lot. I ran my first marathon in Paris last year. And I also love to crochet. I'm currently teaching myself, but I'm not very good yet. So my current thesis project, I am trying to figure out a way to get water from the atmosphere, the water vapor that is all around us, to condense that into drinkable water without any electricity input. So this would be a way to provide clean water in areas that don't have electricity, and would be able to do so completely on its own. So my favorite science fiction movie is Dune. I love Timothée Chalamet and Zendaya in that movie, and it has very much influenced my research. If you've seen the movie, there's no water on the planet that they live on, so they have to collect it through condensers, and that's basically exactly what I'm trying to reproduce with my project.